Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you SUMIFs formula in Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned and watch till the end. In this simple example, I have four columns: year, shop, item, and the quantity. If I want to sum up my value in quantity column based on multiple criteria, so I will use SUMIFs formula. My criteria are: criteria 1 is 1996, which is a specific year, and criteria 2 is specific shop ID ST13. So I will use SUMIFs formula. Start with is equal to SUMIF. On second number you can see SUMIFs. Press tab. Very first thing is sum range, the range in which the formula will sum up the values. My sum range is this column, quantity column. Drag the column till the end and then fix it with F4, comma. Next thing is criteria range 1. What is the first criteria range in which the formula will look the criteria? My first criteria range is this year column. Select all this column and then comma. Next thing is criteria 1. What is my first criteria? What is the criteria the formula will look in this range? My first criteria is this cell, which is 1996. I click on this and then I will press F4 to fix it. Again, comma. Next thing is criteria range 2. What is the second criteria range? My second criteria range is this shop column. So I will select all this column and then again, comma. And what is the second criteria? Second criteria is my this cell ST13, which is a specific shop name, and then F4. Okay, so I have mentioned the sum range, criteria, again sum range 2 and the criteria 2. So basically you can define as many as criteria you want. So last thing is close of bracket, because I just have 2 criteria. Press enter. Now you can see it's giving me the 245. It will look up the value, it will check the value, it will match the criteria in this column first, 1996, then it will go in the second column, shop, and match ST13, and then it will finally go to the quantity column and see the quantity in the quantity column. It will only sum up the values which belong to 1996 and ST13. You can see 1996 here, ST13 245. There is no other value which is matching the criteria, so that's why it's giving me the 245. I wrote down the formula for your ease, guys. SUMIFs, start of bracket, sum range, comma, criteria range 1, comma, criteria 1, criteria range 2, comma, criteria 2. So you can define multiple criteria in it. Hit the like button if you like this video and leave the comment in below section if this video helped. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.